In this video, we are going to learn how to install AWS CLI into Windows machines. So for that, just Google install AWS CLI on Windows, and then you will get one particular website from over here, which is docs.aws.amazon.com. And if I'll go inside this site and then scroll down, you'll get one option to download installer. Just click on this and download this MSI file. Once it has been downloaded, then you will get the user interface to install the CLI. I'm just going to use the default settings, going to accept this license, go next, next, and finally install. It will take some time. Now you can see this has been completed. I'll click on finish. Now open command prompt. Over here I'm just going to check whether it has been installed or not. So just keep the command AWS and enter. And over here you can see I'm getting some response. That means this has been installed in my machine.